Hello, and welcome to day 18 of Project Chief. So, you might notice it's me by myself today. My trusty co-host, Andy, is off this morning, so we'll be doing a few things. Luckily, those things are indoor things because it's raining outside today. But inside that area, our little addition, it's dry. Success. But let's show you what we're working on today. We will be having ourselves, of course, a deck here, as he talked about multiple times, but it's going to be a covered deck spanning from our roof line to our very tall posts over here. What we're going to be building today are 6 brackets, which will be mounted on the roof side up there to support some 4x4 posts and offsetting, or I guess raising, that deck roof off of the actual roof itself. That way, what will be happening is our deck roof will not interrupt or restrict any water flow coming off of the normal roof. Oh, this might be easier here. Here's kind of a photo of what we're going to be doing. But the brackets that do this are $150 to $200 plus per bracket. So to save some money and to make it perfect for our application, we're going to be building these brackets instead. Okay, now we have our pieces cut. Or just so, I don't know if I said that or not, but we're making 6 brackets, 6 identical brackets. But what's going to be happening is this is going to be our base plate. That's going to be connected to the actual roof. And this is going to be our riser. So our riser, we're going to cut at the bottom at the same angle as our roof. And then we'll get that all welded on. And it'll be on here, kind of like that. At kind of that angle. So let's say that's the roof pitch. That is there. So this will be vertical. And this will actually go inside of a 4x4. Which might be a little confusing right now, but just trust me, it's going to make sense as we go along. Boom.
What are you doing, John?
Boom. We are preparing to weld. So we're grinding these smooth and also grinding, if you can see that or not,
You can.
kind of a little bit of a bevel on the end of these, because when we go to weld them to our plates, right there,
Let me get a little. Okay.
we have those bevels now, so our welds will attach better. After that welding and a little bit of paint, we have ourselves our brackets, which are gonna be holding up our covered deck roof. They'll actually be on the roof, so the bottom will match the slope of the roof, and these risers here, off of them, are gonna be cut into and slid into 4x4 posts. So, stick around for probably next week. We might show how these guys get installed, how they're actually used. Here we are, wrapping up our day at Project Chief, not at Project Chief, at my garage, as you just watched, because we finished welding up our brackets for our deck roof to house roof connection point. You know, I showed you a picture earlier on that I'm sure made great sense of exactly what we're building.
It's day 18, and that was the first time I've ever pulled a full bead.
And he did pretty good.
Thanks, John, for teaching me how to
Your last
so
one
well.
is probably a B-.
I'll take that. Compared to there's a few of them that needed some
grinding. So, thank you for watching. Subscribe to our channel.
Like the video.
Leave a comment.
And ring the bell for notifications.